little morning walk in Monemvasia. This is the
bucket list town that we have tried to come almost every year, but always failed. But now we are here.
Yeah. This is a really old fortress, which was like one of the nicest fortresses or strongest fortress in medieval times in the Eastern Mediterranean. And this was a market hub, so everything basically moved through here. So really important part of Greek history.
And really important and nice part about Greece is you don't ever have to pay for parking. You can just drive wherever you want to off it and leave your van there.
One of the main attractions of Peloponnese, of this area, so even here the parking is free, which is nice. And perfect timing coming here, like in the morning time, nobody's here, the cafes are starting to open. And I was actually surprised that there's quite many cafes open here in Monemvasia in the middle of the winter. So this is the main attraction, so there's always people visiting this place. But I think we're gonna climb up there after this old town. We have been on the beaches, abandoned beaches, so long, so every touristy thing is new to us and inspiring. Yes, let's go walk in the town a little more. Upper town is just 90 meters and 4 minutes. Then we are at the upper town. A little bit of climbing.
We are so glad it's not summer because we would be dead. We climbed to the top of the Monemvasia. It's pretty impressive, these ruins over here. And scenery is breathtaking. Monemvasia is the eastern version of Gibraltar. But so far we have not seen monkeys. Only bad behaving tourists.
Like us.
Wow, tyhjän päällä.
Back in the days, Peloponnese was even more empty than now. And even now there's hardly any people on the Peloponnese. And then there's this really big city, middle of nowhere. I remember in the school when we had to actually remember from our memory all the poles of the Greek buildings, which time they were built. And now you can come here and see them alive.
Home, sweet motorhome. It's always good feeling to come back to your van and seeing that your van is safe and sound here. Always a van paranoia among us. Yeah. Now we are fed up with the people and touristic stuff. Now we will search some nice wild camping spot to spend the night. Hopefully we can find a place where it's not other people. Because we have been among other people so much, we need alone time.
We have been in Greece for many years, many years, and spent winters here and summers and traveled all around Greece. But still there are places that we want to visit. That versatile Greece is for traveling. And for example, that Daphne gorge that we drove today has been on my bucket list since 2015. So finally we got the chance to drive it. Really beautiful mountain road, really nice gorge. If you are a climber, it's a perfect place to be, and if you are just admiring, it's a perfect road to drive. And Sarah has a saying that always leave something for the next trip. So we never ever go every place on the region, so we have a reason to come back. Really beautiful mountain roads of Cosmo. Yeah, those are the things that are more looking like our place than any other villages, but those mountain villages, little villages, and central squares that they have, they are really special on the mountain towns. And then coming back down again to the seaside, and it's like 40 minutes. At one point the surroundings look like you are in Lapland, and after 40 minutes driving you are again on the beach. So in that sense Greece is so good to be traveling and maybe living. We don't know. We love it here. This time we have to ditch our plans to go to the epic wild camping spots. The road has actually washed out quite badly. This is still drivable, yeah, with the precise driving, but it seems like it's getting worse. So there's this huge holes in the road, so we cannot make it. We will bottom out if we miss any of those rocks or crevices. Yeah, there's a huge boulders and it's even more washed out. It would be really nice to spend the night here because the Monemvasia, you can see it from here, and there's a sunset that goes down there. But this time it was too fast washed away, so we couldn't make it. Yeah, we would need like a proper off-roading van to get here, or not even a van. I think you need like overlander truck or something which has the clearance of 40 centimeters. Yeah, but it's sometimes like that because we are going to places where nobody else is going, and even those overlanding trucks, they think twice. It's good decision just now, give up and go to another place. We have like 200 meters of backing out from this place. It's washed out also that part, but I think we will be okay.
These are sad moments. Today's road ends here. We cannot reach the beach. It has been massively heavy raining and road is so washed away. Now we just need to back down from the road, and it's easier this way because it's a rear wheel Fiat Ducato. Yeah, these are not the happy moments.
Get the hell out of here!
Yeah, so sad we could not drive there, but we are going to drive to the beach where everybody else is. No big deal because sun is setting and...
Stupid! I would want to be there!
Yeah, me too. Because we have been around people so much, we need to be alone again, so we can charge our mental batteries.
But now we're gonna go wherever the
Other people are.
But this is not over yet. We have a couple of tricky places to drive outside of here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was one big border in the middle of the road with the
things. And just like that, we arrived to our plan B.
Yeah, we are a bit closer to the Monemvasia, and this is just a public beach around the area.
Yeah, there's other campers, but this is a beach and this is free, so it ticks out two really important things for us.
So I think the free is the most important one. But really beautiful beach. So we have a couple of campers beside us, but otherwise the beach is totally empty.
Yeah, I think we will go swim now because it has been sweaty, stressful day. Those zigzaggy routes, and we are still a bit sad we couldn't get to our own favorite spot. But
Life it
sometimes
is.
it's like that. Yeah.
Yes, but let's go swim.